Getting started with Jobman is a breeze. Let's see how. Visit jobman.com and simply click on the Pricing tab. To get started, all you'll need is a credit card and an email address handy. Scroll down to view our different packages. Pick the one that suits your business needs and hit Start Your Trial. Enter your name, email address, and choose your add-ons, and kick off your trial with a click. Enter your payment information to begin your trial. Remember, you won't be charged until the trial ends. Keep an eye on your email for a link to activate your subscription. It is that simple. Once you have clicked on Activate Your Subscription, create your password. Now, import your organisation's name, select your industry, country, currency, and accounting software, if relevant, to activate your account. Enter your username and password. Then, select your organisation and click Open. First steps: set up your accounting software, cloud file storage, and CAD/CAM integration. Your site will come preloaded with industry-specific data to streamline your experience. For instance, head to Settings and then Workflows to find your standard workflow tailored to your industry. Your Jobman site is equipped with an array of ready-to-use templates for quoting, invoicing, purchase ordering, and more. Need assistance? Help is just a click away. Select Help from the left-hand user menu panel and search for what you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all our latest content.